Blinking, yep, there it's going. Hi, it's July 26th. It's a Wednesday. It's hot. And me and Al are out at the Wallkill field. And we brought along the Cirrus. The idea is we're going to put it together here and now and maiden it.
Right on the field. And
so, show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like at the end. Get the picture of that box there, see? Alright, so we're going to get going on it, and I'll bring you back in when I have the parts out on the table. Okay, the unboxing is done. Nothing mysterious about that. It's a tricycle gear. We got the main gear, your nose wheel, tail's back there. Looks like the fuselage opens like that. And we got all our goodies in there. Got a nice safe select receiver, one of these big old thingamajiggers. Got a pilot in there. A nice instrument panel. All right, we're going to start putting it together. All right, we've got the main gear on and the nose wheel in place. Steering is attached. This goes on here. This goes on here. But we're not ready to put that back on just yet. I think we'll move on to the tail surface and then move on to the main wings. Hey, say hi, Al. We've been working on it for about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. And everything's put together with the exception of the prop. The cowl and the cabin just go on with magnets. So I've got my IX-14 powering up, and we're going to get the bind done. Okay, it took about an hour or so. We took our time, but she's all put together. I got a 3-cell 2200 battery in it. I have safe enabled, and I have it on my gear switch. And throttle cut is enabled. Battery is in. Got the controls working correctly. And we're going to take it out to the runway and give it a little, well, we'll taxi it and see what happens.
It's going to take off, I know it.
Well, we got the nice breeze, but it's right down the runway. Still filming now?
Yeah, sure am.
Alright, you could have cut it off, but that's alright. Well, the grass is a little long.
It just shut off, Rick. For some reason. Yeah, it shut off.
Oh, I wonder if the battery went dead.
I hope not.
Alright, let's see if it comes back on. It came back on.
I can't tell if it's recording. Yeah, the light's blinking. I don't know why it shut off.
Alright, well, click it again.
Click it again?
Yeah, just start filming again. Just once.
The light is blinking.
Okay, let it go. Still blinking?
Yeah.
Then it's filming.
Alright.
Yeah, it's counting down on the front too.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, we're at the runway. Let's see if I can taxi this thing. Not only will this be a maiden for the Cirrus, it's also a maiden for this transmitter. This is my brand new IX-14. Oh, something's wrong.
What?
My vision is blurry. Ah, that's better. All right, let's see what happens when we turn it around into the wind.
This thing shut off again.
Did it?
Yep.
Hold on.
You better get another camera.
Still counting down.
The screen went blank.
I wonder why my screen went blank. Well, you know what? I guess the screen probably goes blank just to save power because it's still filming.
All right.
When if the screen goes blank on you again,
Yeah.
just press the shutter button.
Which, this button up here?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to try and turn it around. She's flying.
Yeah. I knew that was going to happen.
I forgot to put my hat on.
You know, I can't hold the camera and go get a hat at the same
That's
time.
all right. I just turned Safe Select off. Tried to do over the top without enough airspeed and didn't quite make it. There's a loop, sorta. Nice roll. Let's see if we can do a stall turn. Hey, that wasn't bad. Coming back towards us. I'm gonna bring it around. I'm gonna fly her in close. Well, closer than that, I hope. Got a little bit of a
Squirreliness?
little trim problem, but that's only with the safe off. Nice lighting system.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's blinking. Damn it, it was off, Rick. Ooh, little squirrely in the wind with them flaps down.
I didn't set a timer, so I'm not really sure how long I've
You
been
got
up.
about 3 more passes, maybe.
No, I'm going to set up for a landing. I still have one notch of flaps down. I'll just leave them down. Power's off. Okay, give it some power.
Whoa!
Oopsie. That wasn't nice.
All right, you're on video. It likes to mow.
Heading back to the flight stations. I'm going to come around and try that landing again. Maybe I'll have safe on this time.
Yeah, I think it'd probably be a good idea. All right.
That was a little better.
They pay you to cut the grass too, huh?
All right, up here. All right, that's it.
Yep, that
I'm
maiden.
hot and I'm tired and I want to go home and take a nap. But it flew.
Yeah.
Put it together and it flew. Sorry about that first landing. That was me all the way. A little breezy and I was feeling a little bit brave, but the breeze got me, flipped me over.
Yeah.
The second landing I did have safe engaged, by the way. So.
Okay.
All right, so cut that film off.